In this video, I will show you how you can download and install apps on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Control Center, then go to the Connection section in the Control Center. Now just make sure that your iPad is connected to your Wi-Fi network. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID, and from here just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After that, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And from here, just tap on your profile icon over here. And also over here, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After you've done that, now just tap on anywhere on the screen to go to the home screen of the App Store. Now over here, you can browse the App Store and you can install any app from here. As you can see, you have paid apps, so you can download, and also you have free apps. If there is a specific app which you want to download, then just tap on the search icon over here and search the name of the app which you want to download. And just select the app which you want to download, then tap on Get to install it. If you find a cloud icon, this indicates that you have installed this app before using your Apple ID, and this time you can install it normally without even entering the password of your Apple ID. And after you do that, you will install the selected app on your iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.